my God, who let her come out the house like that? To those ones. OMG, what do she got on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this huff up here.
Cause she ratchet.
Come on. I'm about to put this girl from Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she ratchet.
Boy, back, not with those shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, what you wanna punch her in her
Cause
face?
she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
Let me tell you what I got, my Mr.
Girl.
Baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, and I still hit the cup, and I met that other flow. No shoes. Where's up? I had a little kill today. After my jean fur boots today. Had to keep it look good, cause my baby just paid bill. No shoes today. New baby. Need new shoes today. Chocolate check-in 2 days. Got them trains yesterday. Girl, did you get through this? Gonna be fit up. Move.
Get out my way.
It's the filter team. I got my food set. Got a brand new pistol. Brand new tap. Paid $95 for my week. Plus tap. This ain't gonna let me smack thumb. No real had this cackle on. Thinking that you better than I am. Who think you think wrong? Whatever. She like my number. But what is wrong with her? Girl, hush. Be crying. Hey, girl. You look good. Turn around. Let me see your two witty again. Okay. Bye. OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this heifer up picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she ratchet.
What, but not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, what you want? Punch that girl in her face.
Cause she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Email Woman. Well, my girlfriends call me Cardi.
Yeah.
The club is free before 11. Drink until we party. Yes, I am the best. You can't have me, boo boo, sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future, baby Zaddy. Maria got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Pal, team dark skin. We don't like the red bones. Don't look at my picture. New FB got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I went Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown, and then she don't shut it up. Then it's Team Shut It Down. I went Team with her man.
Wait a second. It's not recording.
Got a lot of money. Then it's Team he paid me. So what you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me.